All right. So again, this is. I wish I could freaking see what the hell is going on here. So this is gonna be one of those videos that I never, you know, it's one of those videos that you just never want to have to make. And this is by no means like a part, like this is not a vlog. It's just a public service announcement, I guess, if you will. Obviously, you guys are aware that I've been going daily for it's been weeks now. It's been a steady grind, and it's tough, man. Like when you see these people creating content, they got a team, they got multiple things going on. We have multiple things going on, we're just lacking a team, guys. So I gave it a shot, and honestly, I'm getting less views now than I did when I was uploading every other day or whatever. And I don't understand how this works. Everyone I talk to says that daily is the key, and like you'll notice a substantial growth right off, like within the next like week or two. And I've been going, and you know, again, I know there's gonna be a lot of people watching this video like, oh, thumbs down, you know, boo this guy. Those people don't matter. I'm talking to my true supporters out there. You guys know who you are. If you guys have cars that you need finishing, I've had multiple people message me. We have actually a couple really cool cars. We actually have a Skyline coming to the shop here shortly, and amongst other very cool cars. I was gonna keep that a secret, but it's out now, and then we have other ones, but just in case, if you have a project, let me know, we can work something out. But yeah, I just want to let you guys know that hopefully we can kind of get back into the daily thing. But I would if I have content and if I can create something cool for that day, for sure, we might be daily, we might make, you know, 5 videos a week, we might make 3, might make 7. So it just depends, guys, and it all is up to you guys. If you guys continue to watch this stuff and continue to like, comment, share, subscribe, just everything, more content will come your way. All the patrons, you guys are awesome. You guys are huge. It's hard to kind of keep up with all these people that are buying crazy cars and doing crazy mods and stuff like that. But I'm out here, I'm real grassroots, guys. I do everything that I can, if I can, as you guys can see, obviously. But yeah, no mommy, daddy money here, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But huge shout out to everyone out there who has been keeping up with the daily content. But I just want to let you guys know that if I am kind of away for a day or two, just know that nothing has happened and we're all good. It's just that I just want to make this clear, like full-blown clear, because I know it's, oh, you're just doing this for the money. No, that has never been the case. But the YouTube has gotten to a point where it can be financially stable to use it as a full-time job. And obviously it's not my only thing. I'm doing these builds on the side jobs that you guys don't even see about, or know about, I guess, just, you know, little, you know, stuff here, 20 bucks here, 100 bucks here, whatever. So you guys know this. I make these videos solely to inspire you guys and to show you, hey, you can do this too, man. Like I didn't know what the hell I didn't know what I was doing when I built this car. Literally not a single clue. Ask anyone, ask my parents. I had no education as to how to do any of this. I bought just this bare shell, the motor I had purchased earlier in the year, and I was like, well, crap, you know, I have to make it work. And you do. You know, if you set your mind to do something, and if you say you're gonna do it, you will do it. You know what I mean? So, but regardless, I'm getting off topic here. Yes, this is not just. All right, great. Now the compressor is broken. But just know, guys, I've always been making videos for the same exact reason from when I started. It has just led to an opportunity that has allowed me to, you know, eat, I guess is essentially what I'm trying to say. So I love YouTube, you know, it's an awesome platform. I just, if we somehow get this huge ramp of you know, viewership and stuff like that, cool, awesome. I just need engagement from my 70,000+ subscribers. Gotta toss a plug in. If you guys want to grab a sticker, would be super cool. I went ahead and did a little kind of just some fanciness, but grab a sticker, guys, would mean the world. Free worldwide shipping, helps support the channel. So I want to make this clear, don't give up on your dreams, guys. Don't ever give up. Don't let a little speed bump in the road let you just don't stop. You know what I mean? Like for me, I'm not stopping. We're not stopping. We're not quitting. We're not quitters. We don't have a quitter's mentality. I just want that to be clear as well. Don't let little things get in your way.
And to be quite fair with you guys, I thought the kooky build would bring a gnarly amount of attention. I thought you guys would be super stoked on this. Amongst like a lot of people out there would be super stoked on an S14 build, legit kooky with a fully built RB26 with a 30 bottom end. I mean, come on, that's awesome. And I thought that would create some hype. I thought this whole car getting a remake would create some hype. I guess maybe I'm just taking too long, but I mean, that's, you know what I mean? Like, I'm not rushing it. Like, I'm sorry. And then the new car, I thought, you know, the video of getting it, thought this would create some hype, but you know what, man?
There's actually a lot of things coming up for this car. Like, we're buying a lot of parts here this weekend, so I don't know if that's gonna make any difference or not. Honestly, I thought the 300 would be a really cool, beneficial part addition to the channel. These videos have been getting, like, when I say no views, like comparing to just normal, you know, analytics in the past, like literally a third of the views, and it's just brutal to treat YouTube as a full-time job when you don't get that return. It's just a little bit tricky, if that kind of makes sense. So if you guys have any suggestions, I feel like we just need a team, man. We just need a team in here, and that's what we're lacking. But I feel like I've been really straight up with you guys. I always keep you in the loop. I never hide anything from you guys, and I feel like that's how it should be. We'll figure it out here. So hopefully, you know, things will kind of get back into the swing of things once we get into springtime, I guess. But yeah, that's gonna be it, guys. I don't want to make this too long. It's probably already too long. If you guys are still watching this, you guys are my true supporters. For anyone that has disliked this, thank you. You guys are awesome too. Thanks for watching. But for real, I'm gonna get back to work, guys. I'm currently, there won't be a video today because I'm literally just so much work to do to get these wheels done. It's just me. Like, I've got so much to do, guys. So thank you, for real. Subscribe, stay notified. I'll see you guys hopefully very soon. Stay tuned to the channel, guys. Also, just social media, that'll be a really good kind of teller as to when stuff is coming out and when to expect it. But yes, I figured I had to keep you guys updated because I didn't want to just not post and just go MIA. I had to make a video on it. So thank you. I'll see you guys soon. A lot happening at the shop. Hopefully you guys can join and come along on the journey with us. So that's gonna be it, guys. I'm getting back to work. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.